I had started treating my body like a defective project that constantly needed optimization. And I think after struggling with acne for so many years, I developed this conviction that my life was permanently waiting for a repair. Every breakout feel emotional, not only painfully physical, not really because of the pimple itself, right? But because that pimple reminded me that I was not acceptable yet. And what made it even worse was that I kept consuming contents, tons of transformation videos online. At first, it felt productive, right? I felt like I was in control of my life by consuming those contents, but eventually I realized something that made me uncomfortable, that I was not caring for myself anymore, but I was monitoring myself constantly. See, like my body is some kind of project. And honestly, I feel like the internet even encourages this mindset right now. Like there's always another flaw, another habit, another product, and another way to improve yourself, right? The algorithm is basically like you are a few purchases away for being acceptable. And I think the wellness culture becomes dangerous when self care slowly turns into self surveillance. Because there's the difference between supporting your body and aggressively managing it. And I don't think a lot of people realize how constantly exhausting it is to view your body as some kind of project, especially when you are already stressed. At one point, I realized that my brain was never really resting. Like, there was always something that I needed to do, like improve something, fix something, repair something. Oh, that's the same thing. Heal something, optimize something. Diet, skincare, relationship. What else? Sleep schedule. So many things at once that my body was just exhausted, which is ironic because we accidentally put our body in so much stress, and stress worsens inflammation and acne. So, the real turning point in my acne journey wasn't really about discovering miracle products. Well, I discovered isotretinoin, but that's another story, right? It was really about reducing chaos. And not only chaos, I also reduced stress, overconsumption, obsession, and weirdly enough, my skin actually improved when I stopped trying to control every variable. So mentally, I had to stop approaching my body like it's an enemy that needed to be disciplined, because let's be honest, my body was never trying to ruin my life, right? And honestly, that realization gave me peace more than any skincare ever did. I think one of the dangerous ideas modern culture sells us is that once you fix yourself, then you can start living your life. And there's variety to it, right? Once your skin clears, once you lose weight or gain weight, once you become attractive enough, then finally you deserve peace. But then that finish line keeps moving forward. You know why? Because insecurity is profitable. And can you imagine? I spent years of my life building this fantasy version of myself where I have clear skin, confidence. Like one day I would finally become a person worthy of existing comfortably. But real life doesn't work like that. Healing is messier, slower, and less cinematic. And I can personally conclude that the healthiest thing you can do to your body is to stop treating yourself like a constant renovation project.